Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. Here we are with the daily edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. We bring some latest WWE news and update including Roman Reigns' next title match announced, while Legends Night for Raw episode was also announced, and other more important WWE stories. So watch this video till the end to not miss out any important WWE updates. Before we start the video, we request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So without further ado, let's start our video. Number 5 is WWE confirmed Roman Reigns' next Universal title match. After successfully retaining Universal Championship at TLC 2020 pay-per-view, Roman Reigns now defends his title against at Friday Night SmackDown episode. WWE confirmed that this week on SmackDown episode, Roman Reigns defends his title against Kevin Owens in a rematch of TLC. This time WWE put another stipulation and set steel cage match for the Universal Championship on SmackDown. Both gave a great match last night on TLC pay-per-view. Kevin Owens tried his level best to keep champions to his limit and somewhat he succeeded. But in the end, champion managed to win the match. We already see brutal of match at TLC 2020 event and both superstars prove that they are the best performers right now in WWE. Now WWE set a rematch between these two. So we can expect another classic encounter on SmackDown episode. Despite missing a half of part of the 2020 year, by end of the year, Roman Reigns should be the one of the Superstar of the Year award contender. He gave an instant impact on the WWE product when he made WWE return after SummerSlam 2020. Right now, Roman Reigns dominates on SmackDown brand, which is a heel superstar and as a tribal chief alongside Paul Heyman and Jey Uso. Now in 2021, Superstar have an opportunity to take off the title from Roman Reigns, but whoever come up against him, he has to do some extraordinary stuff to beat him. Number 4 is WWE confirmed Legend Night for WWE Raw episode. WWE wants to kick off 2021 year on a memorable and strong note. Today WWE announced that at 14th January the company hosts Legend Night for Raw on the USA Network. WWE just announced this via advertisement. There is no news come out on social media. This special edition of Raw will feature the big names like Hulk Hogan, Kurt Angle, Beth Phoenix, Tori Wilson and many others. In the past, we already saw this type of Raw episodes. So no surprise that WWE kick off New Year with the similar kind of Raw episode. In the recent time, WWE suffered from a lowest rating of Raw brand. So fans are already expecting this type of move from WWE to boost up Raw ratings and make USA Network happy. Even this type of move by WWE proved right from them in terms of ratings. Here is some others name that could present in the Legend Night of Raw episode. The Nature Boy Ric Flair, Slug Slaughters, Alicia Fox, Carlito, Mickey James, Tatanka, IRS and Michael P.S. Haynes. Definitely these are not all the names that present on the Legend Night Raw episode. In coming time we can expect from WWE and other sources more names for that night. So are you excited about upcoming special edition of WWE Raw? What do you hope to see on the show? It hasn't been announced. Let us know by sounding off in comment section below. Number 3 is WWE's new exciting plan for future. WWE rumors stated that WWE officials are discussing a new plan to have Mexican Lucha Libre series, which is recognized as a NXT Mexico. As per the WWE latest news, this WWE project is currently in the early stage of planning. The idea is to air this show in the United States. WWE update also suggested that Chavo Guerrero Jr. is one of the names to consider as a consultant for this Lucha Libre series. Chavo Guerrero is one of who a top agent for Lucha Underground and his work was the best for that promotion. So WWE chose him for a new WWE role for their upcoming projects. WWE latest update also compared this WWE's Lucha Libre series to WCW Telemundo's Festival de Lucha pilot. This pilot was the tape in January 1999 but never aired anywhere. Now WWE has a plethora of underutilized Lucha Libre stars. So WWE plans to do different show for the Lucha Libre market is quite interesting and smart decision. But right now this is new and planned the work WWE is bring NXT Mexico or Mexico Lucha Libre series are in the early stage of planning. We should get more information about this as time goes. So stay tuned with us the more important updates. Number 2 is Jeff Hardy's unique storyline plan with The Fiend. In a recent interview, Jeff Hardy gave details of his interesting storyline plan with The Fiend. Jeff Hardy always saw his intention to have a storyline with two alter egos of him and Bray Wyatt as a Willow versus The Fiend. As per Jeff Hardy's thinking, his storyline idea could be magical on WWE TV if WWE applies it. Here is what Jeff Hardy says. I think there is something magical that can happen between Jeff Hardy and Bray Wyatt and The Fiend and the Willow. My alter Nero that will be come back to the life. Jeff Hardy also said that the Willow gimmick comes across as looking like God, or it does make not any sense. Here is what Jeff Hardy says. I have this huge vision of it, like a black wedding dress and Willow almost like not him or her, but just God, some kind of weird figure that doesn't make sense to anybody. Jeff Hardy also wants that first he and Bray Wyatt team up and then heading towards a singles encounter. Here is what Jeff Hardy thought. Somehow he and the Fiend either team together or either fight each other. I think first maybe we'll team together and then fight each other. It's a very cinematic, and I think there is something very special that can happen between the Firefly Funhouse and the Flylight Zone. And the imagination here is at my property. I can't wait because it's possible, man. It's possible. If WWE looking forward to this angle and build a storyline well, then they can give fans a treat as the best cinematic match ever in WWE as well as pro wrestling. Willow versus The Fiend is like a dream match when the two alter ego clash with each other. So WWE has considered this feud and match somewhere in 2021. Number 1 is Roman Reigns' message to Kevin Owens about the SmackDown title match. WWE recently announced that Universal Championship rematch of Roman Reigns versus Kevin Owens for SmackDown episode. Now Tribal Chief give a warning to challenger Kevin Owens. Roman Reigns not give any reaction to the steel cage match, but he also make a bold statement. Roman Reigns said that he will break Kevin Owens' nemesis this week on SmackDown. Here is what Roman Reigns says. At TLC I made you. In the cage I will break you. #SmackDown. At TLC 2020, Roman Reigns successfully retained his title against Kevin Owens with the help of Jey Uso. After showing an amazing match at TLC, the SmackDown match also came with same expectation. We hope that both men again deliver the best and put his match on the list of best WWE matches of the year 2020. So next episode of SmackDown is highlighted with this Steel Cage Universal Championship match. Definitely SmackDown leaves 2020 on a strong note. This is all from our today's video. Hope you will enjoy it. Before you leave, please do like, subscribe, share, comment and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So see you guys in our next video.